The last thing we're going to assess is your eyes. How is your vision lately?
Pretty good.
Have you had any pain, edema, redness, drainage from your eyes?
No.
Great. I'm going to first test your visual acuity. I'm going to have you take this card and cover up one eye, and I'm going to take this Snellen test 20 feet back, and I want you to read for me the smallest line that you can. Okay? Okay, I'm 20 feet back. Go ahead and cover one eye. Go ahead and read the smallest line that you can.
DEFP 0 or OTEC.
Okay, very good. Now do the other eye. Okay, do the same thing.
LEFODPOT.
Okay, how about this line? Can you read this line for me?
DEFPOTEC.
Okay, very good. You have 20/20 vision with your glasses. Now we're going to do the same thing with the Rosenbaum. I'm going to step 14 feet back and I want you to tell me which direction the E's are pointing. Okay? All right, I'm 14 feet back. Cover one eye. Yes, please cover an eye. Which direction is this pointing? You can just point. Thank you. What direction is this one pointing? Thank you. What direction is this one pointing? Great. What direction is this one pointing? Okay, and what color is this?
Green.
What color is this?
Red.
Okay, let's do the other eye. Okay, what direction is this one pointing? What direction is this one pointing? Okay, what direction is this one pointing? And what direction is this one pointing? What color is this?
Red.
And what color is this?
Green.
Okay, very good. 20/20 vision with your corrective lens on. Let's move back to this side. The next thing I'm going to do is assess your eyelids, your eyelashes, and your lacrimal glands and your sclera. Can you please take your glasses off so I can do that? Let me sanitize my hands before I touch your face. I'm just assessing your lids for any nodules, bumps, or lumps. And as you're closing your eyes, I see that there's no lid lag. I'm going to assess your lacrimal glands. Just going to pull back and look. Make sure there's no excessive tearing or excessive dryness. And I'm also going to pull your eyes down and look at your sclera. Go ahead and open. Okay, go ahead and look both ways. Okay, all right. Your vasculature is normal against white, and that is what we like to see. Okay, now I'm going to measure your pupils. Okay, your pupils are about a size 4. And it is the same on this side, measuring at a 4. So they are equal and symmetrical. Now I'm going to test your light reflex. Actually, first I'm going to shine this light into your cornea from an oblique angle. I want to make sure there's no opacities or cloudiness. Your corneas are clear. It's clear, there's no cloudiness. I'm going to do the same thing from the side angle because I want to look at your irises and make sure that they are well defined, that I can see almost the whole iris and that there's no shadow that's cast. And I see the well-defined iris. There's no shadow, and I can see almost the whole thing. That means that your anterior chamber is deep, which is good. And same on this side, your iris is well-defined. There's no shadow, and I can see almost the whole iris, so your chamber is deep. Okay, now I'm going to turn off the light and check your pupillary reactions. Okay, I'm going to shine the light in your eye and see if your pupils are reactive. Very good. They are reactive and equal. Now I'm going to test to make sure that the other eye is reacting in the same way as I shine it on this side. So I'm going to shine it twice in this eye and then quickly over to the other eye. Okay, I'm going to do the same from this side. Okay, very good. I am going to turn the light back on and check for accommodation and convergence. Okay, I'm going to hold my finger up about this distance from your face, and I want you to look at my finger and then look at something that is behind me on the wall. I'm testing to make sure that your pupils accommodate for that near and far vision. As you look away from my finger, I should see your pupils get larger, and as you look closer to my finger, your pupils should get smaller. So go ahead and look at my finger, look at something back. Okay, go ahead and do it again, and do it again. Great. Your pupils did accommodate correctly. I'm going to test convergence. I'm going to bring my finger almost to your face, and I want you just to follow my finger, okay? Okay. Your eyes were able to follow my finger almost to your face. Within 10 to 15 centimeters is normal. Okay, now I'm going to turn the lights off again, and I'm going to use my ophthalmoscope and look at the red reflex and look at your optic disc to make sure I can see all the vasculature and that there's no hemorrhaging or cysts or anything like that. Okay. Turn my ophthalmoscope on and make sure that the diameter is at 0. And first I'm going to check for your red reflex as I stand at a 15-degree angle. Okay, it's a positive red reflex. Okay, very good. I'm going to put my hand on top of your forehead because I'm going to have to get close to your face and I don't want to run into you. Okay. I see your optic disc. It's a nice creamy orange color. I see the smaller arteries that are lighter and the darker veins that are larger. I see the, come over on this side. There's no hemorrhaging or cysts. Your optic disc is orange and creamy on this side too. It is about 3 times as large as the cup. Very good. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the lights back on and check your visual field acuity. Okay. Yes, you can put your glasses back on. And you can just use your hand to cover up one eye, you choose, and I'm going to cover up the same eye. I'm going to use, these fingers come in from the side, and you tell me when you can see them in your peripheral vision, okay? 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 Okay, let's switch eyes. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay? Okay? Okay, very good. Actually, let's stay covered because I'm going to move from your ear into your nose on both sides, okay? Let me know when you can see it, okay? Switch eyes. Okay, very good. That concludes our eye assessment. Thank you.